was accidentally zooming in. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. It's a Monday. Don't mind all the baby hairs. Woo, you guys. It's not even, it's like, I didn't notice when the hair was gone, but it growing back in is worse. Like, my goodness. So we're just gonna pretend those aren't there. But hi guys, happy Monday. It's an exciting week because we're going on our vacation. Our first family vacation, kind of. We went to San Diego for a night, but this I feel like counts more of a vacation because we're going to like a hotel. We're going with my side of the family, my whole family, which I'm really excited about. We're going to Santa Barbara. We're going to my second favorite hotel in the world, Fest Parker. My first favorite is the Grand Californian at Disneyland. My husband is walking up. Hello?
Hello?
Are you naked?
Oh, you're in here? No, definitely not.
But it is currently Monday, as you saw. I made bagels this morning, which is always a task because I do 2 batches now instead of just 1, so I can freeze them and just, I figure when I'm doing it, might as well just do 2 batches and get the most out of it. I did that. I worked in the yard a bit. I clipped a couple flowers, which our garden is looking fabulous.
Better.
I mean, okay, you're not giving us enough credit.
We are working hard.
We're working our ass off, and I feel like it's really showing. We have a long way to go. It's a yard. We have a lot to like. It just takes time and patience. But for instance, the vegetable garden, like my pumpkin sprouts are looking good. I have a couple of zucchinis growing in. The tomato plants are all looking good, but specifically the beefsteak tomato plant, which I've never had luck with before. Like, I have so many big tomatoes on there. Watermelon starts, the corn, we've had strawberries. Like, it's just looking really, really good. We planted some flowers that we're trying to keep up with. I'm new to flowers, so I'm still learning. But yeah, I thought I would just vlog the week. But yeah, for the rest of today, I've just been editing. I have like a lot of things on my to-do list I'd like to do, but we'll see if it all gets done before we leave, just because it probably won't. Probably a third of it'll get done, and that's okay. But yeah, we're actually going to meet some of my friends for lunch right now, have a little lunch break, and then just more editing. I gotta do laundry today.
I just got a video of me packing the bag for lunch.
Oh, you did?
I opened and cleaned that silicone mat. Hopefully we're keeping it.
Oh yeah, oh I forgot about it, yeah.
We're packed.
Apparently Bradley showed you what we packed in the bag, so I'll insert that now. But okay, we're gonna go get Milo and go to lunch. Last night I had a dream that Bradley asked me.
You're gonna say this?
Yeah, I had a dream that Bradley asked me for a divorce on Christmas Eve.
Jesus.
And it was so realistic, and I was so upset in the dream, and I was, you know those when you're like so happy when you wake up, but I'm still mad at you in real life.
Marriage can be a blessing.
But so can divorce.
Thank you.
Comment if you know the movie. If you know the movie, you're my best friend. Okay. Do you love me even though my hair looks like this?
Your hair doesn't bother me. What's wrong with
It's
it?
the stuff that's regrowing in. Like, I look crazy.
We'll pull it back in with
because
it.
it's not long enough.
Oh.
It's hair that fell out that's growing back
I'm
in.
confused. It looks the same.
Also, somebody's having his collar washed, so he's naked.
Guys, I hate it.
Ludo gets to go on vacation too.
You can see it. It's outside drying in the sun.
Let's see. Also, Bradley put out all of his hockey gear.
Oh, I got footage of that too. Don't worry.
You're a vlogging machine.
Showed off my new skates. Love them.
Love it. Did you like talk?
No, not at
Oh.
all. Sorry, I never talk during my footage. I just set it up while I vacuum or cut cuties.
Don't look at how dirty that is. No, don't scratch the
I just cleaned the ones downstairs.
We need to
I just
clean the
need to keep
ones in
going.
here.
There's like 45 windows in this house. I cleaned the ones in the dining room when we... I don't remember what we were doing. I was going to vacuum in here, but we should probably leave.
We absolutely need to leave. I didn't realize
But
it
I
was
never
so
get a
late.
chance.
Okay, gotta go. We'll see ya. after Santa Barbara, and even before, I was just feeling really heavy from the elementary school shooting, and I just was feeling really helpless and hopeless and angry and sad. And so I kind of just allowed myself some time to feel my feelings, and I channeled all of my anxiety into gardening and also obviously just being the best mom that I could. So this vlog is now turning into voiceover style because I just took random clips, but I'm not talking in them. So now we're gonna change over to voiceover style. But if you are like me and want to help end gun violence, I will have every town's text situation in the description that you can text, and they will tell you how you can help specifically in your area. So I spent some time just kind of resetting and unpacking and just getting our lives back in order after being out of town for a couple of days, which I always like to make the bed to start that off, but I was unpacking and just putting stuff away. Again, don't mind the gross carpet. We hit a slight hiccup, but we're so close to replacing the floors. We even bought tile for Miles' bathroom. I'm so excited. So the nasty carpet won't be here for too much longer, hopefully. But yeah, I'm just picking everything up. Ludo was helping me / taking all the toys back out that I put away, so I don't know if that's helping. But yeah, just unpacking my suitcase. And by the way, I did film a pack with me video that will be up eventually. So you can see what I packed for me and Milo if you're interested in that. Now this day was exciting because we planted some trees. We went to a garden center, we got gardenia. My mother talked me into gardenia. It smells incredible. A peach tree, which I'm so excited about, and then a mandarin tree. For some reason, Ludo wedged himself in between the trees and was just standing there for a while. We thought it was really funny. I don't know what he's doing. I also planted some sunflowers up on the hill in the very back by the wall like I did last year, and then Bradley worked on planting the trees. So we are moving these 2 rose bushes that we have here, but I just have this vision of like this big old citrus tree in the middle because this area gets so much sun. I think a citrus tree would be happy here. I wanted oranges, but the only ones they had were like really big and like $500, and I was like, okay, no. So we went with a mandarin tree, which actually I'm excited about because I eat those a lot more than I eat oranges, and they're Milo's very favorite thing. And I know it'll be probably years. Oh, we're dancing. I know it will probably be years before it makes fruit, but I'm just excited to get it in the ground and get it growing, and hopefully it produces lots of mandarins someday. We also did amend the soil with just some like healthier soil we had in a bag and some citrus fertilizer, just hopefully so it'll be happy. And then I wanted to show you some seed packets I picked up. I didn't plant these on the stage, I just wanted to show you. So we got some flowers, some carrots, some, I think they're English breakfast radishes, or French breakfast. I've been wanting those for a while. And then some celery, which I can plant somewhat soon in midsummer. And we have a little bit of Ludo lovin' happening. He's being very sweet. He somehow found the one sunny area of a sunny patch in all the shade, and it was just really cute. Then this hill we don't know what to do with it. I tried pumpkins on it last year, which I didn't have success with my pumpkins anywhere, so maybe I'll try it again. But on this hill we have a pomegranate tree, slow motion, and a pear tree, and they both are so happy and they do so well. So I was like, let's add some more fruit trees because I would like to grow as much food as possible. So I want a peach tree, and then I want an apple tree. We haven't purchased an apple tree yet, but we did purchase a peach tree. It's a white peach tree, which are my very favorite. And so yeah, we just dug a hole, which was easier than we thought. Ludo's checking it out. He is an attachment to the new trees. But again, we amended the soil with some more just like healthier soil and some fertilizer. And yeah, Bradley is the best at planting now. I've taught him you gotta loosen the roots, and he's a pro. But yeah, we just planted that up on the hill. While we were at the garden center picking up the trees, I asked somebody there about a cucumber trellis. The ones online are so expensive and I just didn't want to spend all that money. And the lovely lady helping me suggested bamboo like stakes, because you can get them in a pack, you build it a little trellis yourself, and you can use them for other things. I use them to stake up my bell pepper plants. So I built this little trellis myself. I used twine on one side and then I used these like soft wire ties on the other. And I'm just going to kind of see how it goes, but this is how it turned out. Hopefully it makes my cucumbers happy. But now, on not so happy of a note, this happened, and I'm not gonna lie, I totally cried. I am so upset about this. Luckily, it's just like a separate back part of the cactus. The main cactus is still there, but it first of all just bent over and then it snapped. So I'm definitely going to take photos to my garden center to see. I really don't want it happening to the other side of the cactus, so I just want to see what I did wrong and how I can fix it. But to not leave you on such a upset note, I wanted to show you my wildflowers and my hydrangeas. But that is it for today's video. If you have any suggestions about my cactus, please let me know. If you know what to do, help a girl out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that I know the world is in a rough place right now, but I hope you're finding peace somewhere, and I love you guys very much. I have a ton of videos coming up, so stay tuned, and I will see you back here very soon with those videos. I love you guys. Bye.